Today's the day. The Joose Willys Wrangler gets a lift. For the lift, we went with a Teraflex CT3 short arm lift kit. Now the lift itself is a nice mid-level kit. It comes with just about everything you need to lift your Jeep. It's got the coils, brackets, adjustable front track bar, and all 8 Alpine control arms with the standard bushings. And it's available both in a 2.5 and a 3.5 inch lift height. For the shocks, we went with a set of the Falcon SP2 3.3 fast adjust shocks. These will work with up to a 4.5 inch lift, and they're adjustable so we can set the ride to our liking. Now, one Teraflex item that I really like is the brake line anchors. And it really doesn't matter which lift kit you go with. These brake line anchors make it easy to extend and control your brake lines. The SP2 shocks can be set for soft or performance by turning the shock shaft one full turn. That's 360 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise. Now we always adjust these for the softer setting, except for those builds that have heavy loads or are dedicated to going fast over rough terrain. The SP2 setting can be changed at any time, but you do have to pull the lower shock mount and twist the shaft to do so. Now for the fast adjust settings, that's that big knob on the 3.3s, and you can set it to 1, which is the softest setting, or number 3, which is the firmest setting, or you can go to the middle setting, that's number 2, and then you can fine adjust that tune with that little knob. So this is just a simple ride and drive. It's a little loop we do every time you do a suspension lift or you make any changes to steering, anything that affect the handling, we're gonna do this little loop. And it's got a few bumps, it's got lots of twists and turns. It'll give us a good idea on what this suspension's doing. It's not gonna feel identical to how it's gonna be done because we still have those little factory Rubicon wheels and tires on here. So it's a 32.5 and we've got 3.5 inches of lift. So it's like, basically we've skipped leg day. Hopefully our new wheels are gonna show up real quick and we're gonna be able to get those on, and that'll make it a much more complete package. And I'm really surprised our ESC warning hasn't come on yet. Oh, there we go. Our warning is now on. So, oh, now it's back off. And it's a typical Teraflex suspension. It's very well composed. We've got those shocks set on the lightest settings, and it's a good thing. A lot of people tend to think that the Falcon shocks run a little firm. And so by putting them on the light setting to begin with, then you can adjust up your stiffness. It feels really good on the low speed. With this amount of lift, I definitely want some bigger tires because although it's really composed and it comes right back to center, it just feels like we need something a little bit bigger. Yeah, other than the steering wheel just a little bit off, this is riding really nice. I'm surprised I got no complaints. It's tracking nice and straight. Don't have a lick of bump steer or even a touch of any sort of funky little shimmy. Yeah, even quick maneuvers. This thing wants to come right back on center. Very composed. It's a nice kit. Okay, now to adjust our steering wheel back to center, this is our drag link here. We need to adjust this nut. To do so, we got to undo the lock nut. That's going to be a 15 millimeter. Then we want to grab some open jaw pliers, and we need somebody on the inside to see which way the steering wheel's going. And here we go. Okay. All right, so there we go, straight away, and our steering wheel is now straight. And it's tracking really straight too. Wow. Now that's pretty impressive for an off-the-shelf lift kit. We bolt that on and stretch it out. That's a lot of flex. Passenger tires pretty much tucked in about as far as we can get. Still lots of clearance. I really didn't want to push it any higher with these stock tires. So I gotta say, that is really impressive for an off-the-shelf lift kit. And it's performing, well, exactly what we'd expect a Teraflex kit to do. So this is the Teraflex CT3. You'll find a link for it down in the description box below. You'll also find a link for those 3.3 Falcon shocks. And as soon as we get wheels and tires on this thing, we're gonna get it out on the trail and show you this flexing on obstacles, not just on the pavement and a forklift. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.